Now that you know about Copilot prompts, what's next? Hey y'all, Deva here from the Expert Zone Southeast Asia team working with Microsoft. And today, we're going to talk about how to navigate your experience after Copilot gives you a response. Your initial prompt is just the beginning with Microsoft Copilot. Think of prompting as a conversation, a collaboration, not just a one-time request. Let me show you some tips. Say we want Copilot to add a new paragraph to this paper. And when you get a response, that's when you can take your conversation to the next level. Maybe try asking Copilot to add something that's missing or to regenerate a new result. Iteration is key to getting the results you want. Okay, let's have Copilot think of an analogy to help me explain this. Oh, and also give feedback when you get good or bad outputs so Copilot can understand your preferences and improve. Copilot doesn't get discouraged and you shouldn't either. Just keep refining your prompt as you go. And like any conversation, being polite helps. Copilot is trained on human conversations, so using kind, respectful language can help build more collaborative responses. Nice! Also, because Copilot is ready to act, it's better to tell Copilot what to do instead of what not to do. Instead of saying, don't make it too long or boring, you could say, make it concise and engaging. Okay, one last tip. Sometimes Copilot can make mistakes, so verify important information to make sure what you have is true and accurate. You own the final product. After a collaborative conversation with Copilot, with follow-up prompts, refinements, and polite feedback, this paper is ready to share. And there you have it. Now you know how to have a follow-up conversation with Copilot. Copilot may be an AI, but it needs your help to cater more to you. So don't be afraid to talk to your Copilot. As always, Copilot is free, but certain features like using Copilot on your Microsoft 365 apps require you to get a Copilot Pro or Copilot for 365 subscription. But whichever version of Copilot you use, free or paid, you can still use follow-up with your Copilot. Remember, Copilot is here to help you save time for the things that matters. So go have a little chat. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more Microsoft related content, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all on the next one.